Please welcome the captains from the 49ers and the Chiefs. And now, a special introduction of our honorary captains.
On August 8th, 2023, wildfires ravaged the town of Lahaina on the island of Maui. It was the worst natural disaster in the history of the state of Hawaii.
We lost our family home, the home that I grew up in.
Yeah, I lost my home, unfortunately.
My mom's house was in the fire, caught in the flames, it burned down.
We lost 4 family members.
In the wake of such catastrophic loss, high school athletics would seem to be of little significance. But the Lahainaluna Lunas soon found out how important to their town they were.
Immediately following the fire, the very next day, I got calls from parents, I got calls from players, all wanting to get back on the field. Good for the healing process.
We're going to be representing a lot. It's for all the people that lost everything.
And remember what we are and who we represent. Everybody got it? Let's go.
And it's just something to lift their spirits.
You guys is Lahaina, bro. It's not about a place. It's about people.
Life can change in an instant. We'll rise above this tragic event.
1, 2, 3,
That's all we can ask for.
Follow me, I know the way. Okay.
Oh my gosh, I love this voice.
Please welcome members of the Lahainaluna Lunas, 2023 champions of the Maui Interscholastic League. Head coach Dean Rickard. Offensive coordinator Garrett Tejada. Former coach Bobby Watson. Athletic director John Conrad. Team captains Kolana Tejada. Morgan Bula Montgomery. Tella Loft. And Kuona Watson. And now, referee Bill Vinovich.
Gentlemen, thank you for being with us today. Our thoughts and prayers are with you and your family for a speedy recovery. Bobby, please join me with the captains. Good afternoon, gentlemen. Congratulations and welcome to Super Bowl 58. We have a commemorative coin. The Lombardi Trophy is heads. The team logo is tails. San Francisco, you are the visitors. What is your call?
Tails.
He is called Tails. Bobby, please do the honors. It is heads. You defer. You want the ball. Which way you want to kick? Stay where you are. San Francisco will receive in the first half. Good luck, gentlemen.
All right, folks, the build-up is over. We're moments away. The kickoff is next.